Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're doing another unboxing on some sneakers. So these are women's sneakers. These are Brooks women's Revel 6 natural running shoe. So we've been going through a lot of men's shoes, and now we're doing one pair of women's shoes because I'll tell you the reason. My wife is having some issues with her feet, and different sneakers are not agreeing with her. So if you're having this problem, if you're having pain in your feet or underneath your arch area, I'm going to tell you why. Stay tuned. So this is how this box comes, like you see here, packaged standard. This is a lot of the information here about the science. This is really designed for really super arch support and giving you that flexible and just helps. Actually, what it really is designed to do is give you the best support when you're walking. So your knees, hips, and feet, it gives everything all in alignment. That's what it's supposed to do. And nothing wrong with that. These are a good quality sneaker, and we just show you what they look like when we take them out of the box. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the technology. Now, the technology of Brooks is really, really good. There's no question about it. I mean, they have a high-quality sneaker. They're great for runners. Fantastic if you're a power walker. These are designed for women. They also have men's shoes as well. They're engineered to give you the maximum amount of performance. Impact is not so much for impact, but really more about performance and keeping your body aligned and using all the muscle groups really correctly and keeping everything in alignment. Knees and the hips and the joints. That's mainly a lot of the important things when you're running. You want to make sure you get that quick spring bounce. You want to make sure you have the impact taken care of and all that kind of stuff. Now, it's got a cool, fresh look to it. It's a predecessor from their Revel number 5. And they have different evolutions. There's a 7. I'm sure they're going to keep going on forever with these things. But this is what the shoe looks like. Let me just give you just a quick look at the shoe itself. It's very stylish, I have to say. It's got the Brooks logo right here. It's got the white with the black. That's the color that she chose. It's got the logo here. It's number, so if you can see that right here. It says 6. That's the series 6 from this one here. It's labeled in the back Brooks. The sole itself is very good. Not too slippery. On the last couple of reviews, I told you that some of the sneakers were very slippery when you drive them. These here have all little grooves in them. You can see here. And these little grooves will automatically give you just a lot of traction already. So it's not slippery at all. You don't really have to even break these in or scuff them up. These are good to go. So that's great technology right there. So I do like that. You can see all those little divots, and it gives you they're just solid. You're gonna stick to the ground with these, which is really, really good, especially if you're running in wet weather or things like that, dirty areas or sand, dirt. It's going to give you the maximum amount of grip. So I do like that. Again, high quality shoe. There's nothing bad to say about these shoes. The only bad thing I can say, and it's not really a bad thing, is that you have to be careful. Some people have flat feet. Some people have extended arches in their feet. Some people have different things in their feet. So this one here is a very high arch. So if you have flat feet and you have a high arch here, you could end up with some foot pain because your foot is not used to that arch. If your foot is flat like this here and you put an arch on it, it's going to put some pressure on your arch here, and sometimes you'll get some foot pain in the back of your foot area near your heel, and that's just you're using how to explain it, but there's a nerve back there, and it can irritate the nerve if you have a flat foot versus someone who has an arch. And that's the best way to explain it. So you get a lot of pressure, a lot of pain. You have to stretch it out. There's a ligament back here in the back of your foot, so you just have to be careful of all that. And this is just my opinion. I'm not a doctor, even though we did go see a doctor and he gave us all this opinion. But that's pretty much, so I'm not a medical doctor, just to be clear and transparent. But if you're having some issues with your feet and your feet are flat, maybe an high arch is really not the answer for you. Maybe you need more of a low arch shoe. I've been using a lot of the Skechers, and they're a little bit much lower arch, and they fit her better. So these are gonna go back, not because they're bad, it's because the arch is just too high. Almost it has that orthotic feel to them. You ever see a pair of orthotics and they have that really high arch inside? And you can tell by just feeling your fingers, and you can feel, if you feel like a big lump in here, it's hard to see it, but if you feel like a lump, it's got really good arch support. And for most of us, it's really super important to have that arch support to keep you balanced, to keep you in alignment. So that's why it's there. But not everybody can have that. Some people have flat feet, people have different situations. So I think that's the problem going on there. But the overall qualities are very stiff. Some of the shoes I've showed you in the past that are very rigid, these are very stiff, and very stiff because they give you a good bounce back. So that's really important. To do the twist test, like I've told you before, the twist test, it's good. It's got a nice feel to them. It's really rigid, strong. These are just standard tie-up. These are not slip-on. These are just your standard shoe. The back of the heel area here is a pillow top here, so that will help. If you feel your finger inside here, it's got a ridge. What that does, it grabs around your ankle area up there in the higher part of the ankle and helps keep it secured inside your foot instead of being flat. So that's another good thing. Again, hard to see, but it's like almost like a pillow in here. And a lot of the newer shoes today are doing that, especially the slip-ons. Again, it's got a tie-up. It's got the all around. It's got the nice look to it. These are vented, so it gets good ventilation. But all in all, they're super high quality shoes. So if you have a normal foot and a normal arch, and you want great support, these shoes are 100% in your bag. I definitely recommend these shoes 100%. They're lightweight. They're super performant. You can just feel these are performance shoes. They're just not their standard sneaker. These are a nice quality shoe. So definitely going to recommend these. It's got the quick springy transitions here. So you can just feel that. So when you're running, you're going to just feel that just bouncing you right across. It's going to really look good. It's got a fresh look, easy to clean. It's got the ventilation. This is the mesh. Look to it, and just overall great shoe. So that's what I have for you. Just want to give you a quick information about that. If you're having issues with shoes, sometimes the arch is not always your friend. Sometimes it can be your enemy. So just be careful when you're looking for shoes, and just make sure they fit your feet right. Give someone look at your foot and just see if it's a flat foot or if you have a normal foot or whatever the situation is, because sometimes it's the foot that has to fit the shoe, not the shoe that has to fit the foot. And sometimes that's the way it is. All right, guys, hope I brought you some value. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. I do all types of reviews, as you know, from soup to nuts, to just give you some information, some value, and educate, motivate, and also inspire you to make a decision on your shopping journey. I appreciate you always tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and hit that like button. It really helps my channel out a lot. It helps the algorithm. And leave some comments down below. That really helps as well. I really do appreciate that. And as always, I'll leave a link at the end over here. Right there. Go ahead if you're interested in these Brooks. They're really good quality shoes. Just make sure they're just for you. That's the main thing. And that's what I have. All right, guys, the next one, and I'll see you at the next review. And these are a really nice quality shoe. Thanks for watching.